Hi everybody, Tuan with NZXT here. I just want to give you guys a quick intro to our new keyboards, the NZXT Shine 3 mechanical keyboards. So we worked with the Ducky channel on these with obviously their Shine 3 keyboard. We went with our own custom layout and colors to match the H440 case that we just launched today. So over here you'll see we have the black and red version with red LEDs, and over here we have the white and black version with white LEDs. So again, these are fully mechanical keyboards. They use Cherry MX Red switches, which are great for gaming. And a few of the great features are you have 7 different LED lighting modes, 8 if you count all of them off, which I will go over shortly. And another great feature is you'll find on the back you have DIP switches, which let you do things like switch the Control and Alt keys around, disable the Windows key, put the keyboard into demo mode, and things like that. And so this keyboard is going to be available exclusively on the NZXT Armory store. You can find the link below, and it's going to be $149. So I'm going to go over the 7 lighting modes of the Shine 3 mechanical keyboard. To activate and go through them, all you do is press the FN button and hit the F10 button. So the first mode you have right here is the 100% on. It's where every key is lit up. The next mode will go into a breathing mode, which you can see here. The one after that will be a wave mode. You can adjust the speed using the arrow keys over here. And the one after that will be a snake marquee mode, so it just snakes around the keyboard like that. Again, you can adjust the speed using the arrow keys. The one after the snake mode is going to be the reactive mode. So it might be a bit hard to catch on camera right here, but basically what happens is whenever you push a button, the key will fade out slowly, which you can actually adjust the speed at which it fades using the other keys. After that, you have the ripple mode. So basically, whenever you push a key, it'll ripple throughout the keyboard. The one after the ripple mode is the one that's up here. It's kind of similar as the ripple mode, but it's just the exact same line that the key is on. Finally, the last one is all of the LEDs are off. And if you push it again, you'll get back to the start, which is all LEDs on.